Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove comments in Microsoft Word. Deleting comments in Word helps finalize documents by removing unnecessary feedback, ensuring a clean and professional presentation. So let's start the video. First, let's take a look at our document. As you can see, we have a few comments here that we need to remove. To remove an individual comment, simply right-click on the comment you want to remove. So let's say we want to remove this comment, so right-click on it. A menu will appear. Select delete comment from the options. So click on delete comment, and just like that the comment is gone. Now to remove all the comments at once, go to the review tab in the Word ribbon. So click on review tab. In the comment section, click on the drop down arrow next to delete, and then select delete all comments in document from the drop down menu. So click on it. And there you go, all the comments have been removed from your document. So that's how to delete or remove comments in Word. Thanks for watching.